Time check, 3:25. Parating tayo dito ng mas maaga. Ano nga bang laman na race kit? Race bib, yung number, yung pur diblet, saka may kasamang t-shirt. Sponsored by Nike. 5:45 na, so 15 minutes na lang mag-start na yung marathon.
Everybody make some noise! It's energetic as electric for 2025 and the Abu Dhabi Marathon. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So nasa 3.8 kilometers yung unang hydration. Next water station nasa 150 meters na lang. Meron ding toilet dito sa 8.8 kilometers. Thank you. Kaka 10 kilometers ko. Ang oras ay 59 minutes. So sub 1. Sana kayanin sa second 10. Thank you.
I think, yeah.
Thank you. Nakalagpas ng 14 kilometers. So nasa 1/3 na. At 15 kilometers yung hydration nila. May saging at saka yung may tubig at saka saging. Ay, apple na naman. Ay ate, pahingi. Thank you, isa lang po. At tubig ulit. 17.1. May apple at saka tubig tayo na ko. 20 kilometers. Sub 2. Sana yung next 10 kilometers nasa sub 3. 30 kilometers hindi kinaya yung sub 1. 3 hours 2 minutes. 32 kilometers wala, na to, naglalakad na ako nito. Pinakamahabang run 300 meters tapos lakad ulit. Matapos ko to ng lakad takbo tsatsagain. Mas marami pa yung lakad ko yung kaysa sa takbo. 9 kilometers to go. Crossing 40 kilometers. Kuha ko siya ng siguro nasa 1 hour 45 minutes. So yung 30 to 40 kilometers dapat na 1 hour and 45 minutes. So 2 kilometers pa. Down to the last 1 kilometer. So 1.2 kilometers kasi 41 na. Ilang minutes kaya pag nilakad yun.
The finish line shoot, so our volunteers, our medical team is needed. All done across the finish line.
Ang total record natin 5 hours, 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Sa tatlong marathon ko ito yung pinakamahaba. 1 month preparation di sapat.